Welcome, bakers! In this Webquest, you will work with a baking team of 3. That can be changed depending on your teacher's wishes. Please double check with your teacher. You will work through 4 specific tasks that are very important when throwing a cookie exchange. You will have to design an invitation that you will send to your classmates, choose 3 cookie recipes and gather your ingredients, figure out how much of each ingredient you will need for all 3 recipes. Find how much your grocery bill will be for all your cookies. If you choose to do this in a baking team of 3, you will have 3 different opportunities and roles. One will be a head chef. This person will be your leader, who will keep your team focused and on task. Make sure that the team member who is chosen as your head chef is a responsible student who will keep you focused and doing the work properly. The sous chef will be responsible for keeping the work organized for your team. You will be completing several graphic organizers as well as your invitation. It's very important that the sous chef keeps these looking nice, neat, and clean, as that's going to be how you are evaluated. Another person can be an accountant. The accountant is responsible for making sure that your team has calculated the needed ingredients and the grocery bill correctly. That does involve a lot of math. So I suggest the person who is chosen to be your accountant is somebody who feels very confident in decimal and fraction operations. Individually, each one of you will be responsible for an expert on one recipe, and you will need to calculate the ingredients and the cost for that one cookie recipe. However, the Webquest requires you to have 3, so you will need to work together to accomplish what is required for the Webquest.